Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin again dropping down. We came up to 102k, then just huge sell off the last few days. Just now we came down to 94,400. It's weakening out a lot of people. Someone took out here around 800 million. I shared about it on X, but you can see that the chart is dropping, Bitcoin dropping quite high strongly from 102 down to 95. Big drop last night and then just slow bleed throughout the day. People are chatting in the chat. You can join them, waiting for the American market to open because the ETFs might come in and start buying, even though they're the ones that sold off yesterday, which is interesting. 3.47 trillion market cap, Bitcoin price.live, huge drop just now from 95,800 in the last 30 minutes down to 94,400 and then a little bit of a bounce back. But you can just see it's just slowly keeps going down. You can take the courses to learn all of this. Sign up to Bybit. Here's 60k bonus. The desire of gold is not for gold. It is for the means of freedom and benefit. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. Warren Buffett. Money is always eager and ready to work for anyone who is ready to employ it. Beautiful. 70 greed right now, so it is the time to be more cautious. Going heavy long would be in fear. Going greedy, you want to be starting to sell. 52% Bitcoin dominance. Funding fee slightly positive. 95,000. Big drop today. My trades will be now only a little bit in profit. My Ethereum trade probably down a little bit. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in and you can see my account taking a hit, coming close to 1 again. We were at 177 yesterday, got a huge bounce back, and then again giving it back up in just one day. The market is quite brutal at the moment. We're getting a constant bleed off on Bitcoin. I bought some more on this dip at 95,000. We got a bounce back to 96, and then again it's just bled back to 94. Funding fee slightly positive. Bitcoin trade slightly positive. I've got 4 Bitcoin now, and Ethereum trade quite down. I added more to the Ethereum trade as well. I added another 20 Ethereum today, but you can see that it is just bleeding out on Ethereum as well. Huge drop on Ethereum, 3.7. It's showing a lot of weakness. Let's go into the technicals. We're going to trade it on the 4-hourly because everything else now is quite dangerous. If the stock market opens badly today, we could have quite a big, look at that, 4% drop yesterday on the stock. So that affected, Bitcoin was also affected by that. On the weekly, RSI is still slightly heading up, but it is overbought, starting to turn down. I'm going to the 4-hourly chart. Stochastic on the daily is also heading down now quite strongly. RSI heading down. Squeeze mob is going green. Let's go into the 4-hourly. RSI oversold already. Looks a little bit head and like rounding top and a little bit head and shoulder. Rounding top and head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Doesn't look too beautiful, to be honest. And that we had a big bounce from 92 to 102 and then just quickly big sell-off. It's being manipulated a lot. If you're going to try and get into a trade, I would try to take it from 91. 91,460, stop loss 89,594. Take profit 108, and I would be careful. I would ladder down because if this is a head and shoulders and we come down, the next supports are quite low. You have one here at 73 and you have a little one at 80. So there's not much support down here. If we break down, 73 is even possible. So be very cautious. Make sure you divide up your orders, like DCA in. Don't go heavy here and then it just drops more and then you liquidate it. I need to also apply for this lesson. On the 4-hourly, I would expect a bounce off 91. Maybe we can get a bounce off this support here, but the main support is 91. Take profit 108, risk reward 9 times. Let's go into Ethereum. 3,350. Ethereum is also quite a big drop. It was pumping yesterday to 3,800, 3,759, and then came back down. On the 4-hourly on Ethereum, I am seeing something different. Descending triangle on the 4-hourly. See it? Descending triangle. These usually build pressure like this. If we get a bounce here on Ethereum, big chance we can go back to 4,000. The base of the triangle, so this descending triangle will play like this. But we need to get a bounce here. If we break through that support, then this is invalidated. And target of this would be 4,400. But do we get a bounce here? Most likely not. Usually if something's coming down, you can't, where it's recently low is not the end. So 2,800 really is the big support. So if you're going to go long on Ethereum, 2,800 would be the safest point. The bigger pattern is still 7,500. High chance, so make sure liquidations are below 2,700. I'll make it below on my trades. You can see here I've added already, so my liquidations are 2,900. I'll add more to it if it comes down more. Ethereum fluctuating a lot, Bitcoin just bouncing back. Look at these trades move. If Ethereum holds here, it's good to go for a massive run. However, again, 2,800 is the best place. But as you can see on this descending triangle, if this is the breakout, if this is the bottom here of this pattern, which is a high chance it is because the holidays are nearly finished. So everything comes back online. Donald Trump's inauguration, high chance we pump here off this support. I'm going to add 10 more Ethereum then. I won't go too big. I'm going to DCA in. I'm adding 10 more at the current price. So we'll go to 90. Did it activate? No. 3. Yeah. So 90 Ethereum now. So now my Ethereum trade 300k, my Bitcoin trade is 376k, which is beautiful. Also join us in the Telegram, 864 of you online. One of the biggest trading communities that is very highly moderated. A lot of amazing smart people in there. Join them. The links are all down below underneath the video. Bybit 60k bonus, Weex $200 bonus, Bitunix giving 5,500 no KYC, and James Crypto Guru for the courses and for the Telegram. You can join everyone in there and discuss together. That's all my updates. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Be cautious up here. DCA down. Same with Tesla. I'm going to DCA down. After I made massive gains, now I want to slowly enter if it pulls back. I don't want to buy everything at the all-time high. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.